When we think of folding phones, the Samsung Z Fold is probably still the phone that jumps into our minds first. With the Z Fold 6 around the corner, we need to take a look at the leaks and rumors surrounding it. The Z Fold 6 was rumored to only be a light refresh by some, but now it seems that we will be getting quite a decent upgrade, with it getting a sleek new design that will make it wider, thinner and lighter, but most importantly, a change of design. But before we get into the new design, we also need to mention that there will be 3 versions of the Z Fold 6, the FE, the Standard and Ultra. The FE will be the budget version, and it has been rumored to cost only $800, which sounds absolutely brilliant. This is even cheaper than the Galaxy Z Flip. To do this, they will make compromises with the screen, battery, materials, and also the chipset, with it likely to receive the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 as the Fold 5. It won't work with the S Pen either. Wireless charging will most likely also be a miss. Those seem like reasonable compromises for the price, and we personally don't use the S Pen all that much anyway. It is set to launch a few months after the Z Fold 6, possibly looking to rub off some of the shine from the iPhone 16 launch. On the topic of the standard Z Fold 6, the design does seem to make wholesale changes that look sharp with those flat edges and squared off corners. A fairly aggressive design change. The displays will also be more squared, creating some continuity between the new boxy design. With this comes a size increase for both screens as well. The actual display will get a bump in screen brightness and an anti-reflective coating like the S24 Ultra, increasing the visibility and quality of the inner display. With the increased size, this promises to be a decent upgrade, especially if we consider how much of a game changer this feature was on the S24 Ultra. High-grade materials will be added to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, as it will come with a titanium frame, adding structural rigidity and cutting down on weight, down to 239 grams from 256 on the previous gen. On the processing side of things, RAM will be bumped up to a 16GB option, which would be quite mental and awesome for multitasking. This could be combined with a terabyte of storage, so those specs indicate a beastly device. The thickness of the Fold 6 will be identical to the Fold 5, which is a little sad. However, this won't be the case for the Z Fold 6 Ultra. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks to be a fine-tuned version of the Z Fold 5. So the real big hitter when we talk about changes will be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. We have seen them release a model number SMF958, which is apparently the Fold 6 Ultra. Now, you may be asking yourself, how can we be sure this represents the model number for the Ultra? Well, the Z Fold 4 was 936, the 5 was 946, the Fold 6 has 956, and this one is 958. And the number 8 has been used before on Ultra phones. Yeah, that's some real nerd stuff. People can really get into some detective work when deciphering the rumors. On the Ultra, rumors have it that we can expect a super wide outer display resembling the one found on the S24 Ultra. The phone will also be slick and slimmed down at 5.6mm when open and 12.1 when closed. It is also rumored to receive an S Pen integrated into the body. The last thing that we have heard is it could be limited to the Korean market, which would be quite sad. However, that's all we have for today's video. Those are some tasty rumors indeed. What have you guys heard about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 lineup? And which features would you like to see become a reality? Let us know in the comments below. If you guys liked the video or found the content informative, please smash the like button, hit subscribe and ding the notifications bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Until next time, stay under the spotlight.